I am your host Tahir Khan, and today we will discuss what is dropshipping and what are the advantages of dropshipping and what are the targeted markets of dropshipping. So let's jump into today's tutorial. I know most of they know about what is dropshipping, but maybe some are starting from the scratch. So we have to tell what is dropshipping and know the basics so we can move forward. We will take the help of this picture which is explained very easily what is dropshipping. Like Tahir order the product to the store, someone like jewelry store, and jewelry store then order the same product to the supplier like AliExpress we use mostly with 90% plus dropshipper are using. Then the AliExpress directly supply the product to the customer, and the store jewelry store keep the profit margin around $50 or $10, anything like that. So this is the simplest way you can understand drop shipping, and let's move forward. So the main in 2017 US has singly made a lot of drop shipping orders than rest of the world. Look out US, it is always a hot dog in online business. In US there are billions of internet users and people love to shop online. So you have to target the US market. You can target other markets also, but US is favorite. Look out this graph. US get the more orders than the rest of all. These graphs I have get from Obollo app, which is the official dropshipping app of Shopify. Then these graphs are almost accurate. The advantages of dropshipping. The main advantage of dropshipping is less capital is required. You require very low investment to start with this business. You only need around less than $100 to jump into this business and make a site and make add the products. And if you're doing it right and follow this course, you will get all the techniques so you can get a lot of sales from low budget advertisement. So let's continue with this course and watch all the videos in detail. And the other advantages are like flexible location. You can start store from anywhere in the world if you have the payment gateways in your country. And these are and the drop shipping stores are mostly easy to scale because you have no inventory issues. So you have a lot of time to scale your product, market your products, and get more orders because you don't need any inventory. You go and buy some inventory and then sell. This take a lot of time. In drop shipping you have a lot of time to market your product. So that's all from today's tutorial. Please watch next videos.